last time you checked the chaos in your interior? What am I talking about? Come take a look. I guarantee you that everyone has this going on. But that's just you and your chick. Now what happens if you have kids? You got this going on in the back seat. And some of you just don't care. You've lost your zest for life. You don't exercise because it looks like a lot of work. You don't make your bed every morning because it's only going to get messed up again. When your underwear gets dirty, you just flip it inside out. Well folks, this video is for those that do care. I got 2 products that is going to clean up your shit. Let's go ahead and get started. Introducing the LISEN magnetic wireless car charger and the LISEN retractable car charger. These are not only awesome, but they are functional and practical, and did I mention won't break your piggy bank. Let me go ahead and open up the retractable car charger to show you what I am talking about. This product right here is going to make use of your ultra useless cigarette lighter in your truck. I know the first thing you're going to notice is the plug portion itself. Pretty long, and that's what she said. But if you go into your truck right now, you'll notice your OEM cigarette lighter is way sunken into your utility tray. Now here's the hero of the video, the retractable cords for your phone and their kitchen appliances that go in and out, in and out, in and out. Before we move on to the next benefit, I'm going to need you to get your mind out of the gutter. This charger has 4 flavors for everyone in your family, for those of you that like to keep it in the family, if you know what I mean. The first being a USB-C, second being a Lightning for older Apples, more USB-C, and finally a USB port. Next, let's open up this magnetic wireless charger, which can be a standalone or be a supplement to the retractable charger. The benefits of this is it keeps your charging cable from going in and out, in and out, in and out, and in and out from your cell phone. Let me remind you that this is a family channel, folks, so keep the inappropriate comments to yourself. If we go ahead and remove this main unit itself, you are going to notice the cable only goes to the charging pad, so your cell phone is free of any wires. Another good thing about this product is that it not only is a cell phone charger, it is also a cell phone holder. It gives you 2 different options to install this into your vehicle. Right here, the 3M double-sided tape goes anywhere onto your vehicle's trim and any contour that is challenging to any other cell phone holder. And this moves, clicks left and right. Isn't that cool? Multiple contours. And the way cool air conditioning vent, let's not forget about that. This attachment doesn't use a cheap spring that rusts, such as the one I've used all these years. This attachment comes with a hook that opens when you turn the knob counterclockwise and firmly tightens when you turn clockwise. And to put all this together, all you have to do is take the charging pad, open up this lock nut, place it over the round knob, go ahead and put it in and turn this clockwise firmly, and you can adjust this any angle you want. And once you reach the final angle, go ahead and tighten it some more, another 1/4 inch of a turn, and you're going to flip this over until the hook solid side is on the top and the open and close side is on the bottom. You're going to open this up by turning it counterclockwise and hook it over your AC vent, and then you're going to lock it into place. Everybody's AC vent is going to be a little different, but the concept is still the same. If you are one of the GX owners that actually upgraded your unit to the GX 550, you're going to get a single fin. Once you open up your clip right here, you're going to go ahead and tighten this by turning it clockwise. Okay, once you tighten it, you're going to go ahead and push this up until this top portion locks into place. You're going to flip this clockwise or counterclockwise until the charging port is right directly below you, right here. I'm going to take my LISEN retractable charger, plug it into the Lexus cigarette lighter port. I'm going to take my USB-C here, find the length that I need, lock it into place so it doesn't retract by pulling on it, and voila! Folks, please tell me this is not a beautiful thing. I'm going to go ahead and start my vehicle. Voila! Automatically charges. And there you guys have it, the LISEN retractable car charger and the wireless charging pad. This is GX Bob signing out. I may not be able to save your relationship, but I can save your car interior from looking like something blew up in it. Peace out, guys.